We've had an amazing year with new products, new innovation. Velodyne is an intellectual property generating machine. And we're also very concerned about public safety. We've had two great announcements in the last 3 weeks. One about our business alliance with Nikon, and then just 2 days ago with a business alliance with Veoneer. How can we get LiDAR into every car in the world for the sake of safety? And that's with mass production, because then you can get the cost down. The technology is not just for the highest end cars, it's for everybody. And safety should be democratic. Safety is for everybody and every car. So that's Velodyne's goal. David Hall said he sees in the future there'll be as many LiDAR produced and used as there are cell phones. Velodyne sponsor the first public safety summit at Levi Stadium in San Jose. We have a very active educational and safety advocacy program, and we go around to DC, we talk to NHTSA, NTSA, Mothers Against Drunk Drivers. We invited all of these people to meet with tech leaders, autonomous car leaders. It's our responsibility, and at Velodyne, we take the responsibility very seriously. There are minimum standards that should be published and transparent.
So in 2018, we showcase new technology as always. Every year we come up with new products and new technology to show at CES, and we showed a full range of sensors. In 2019, we are coming in now not showing just new technology, but a complete portfolio. Because there is no one LiDAR that will rule them all. We think that the average autonomous vehicle will have a suite of LiDARs serving many different applications. We have our surround view sensors, the LiDARs that see 360 degrees around the vehicle, led by the Alpha Puck. This sees 300 meters around the vehicle, the most powerful LiDAR out there, and we announced it at CES last year. Now there's a family of sensors that can do that with varying ranges of performance and form factor trade-offs. So again, no one LiDAR to rule them all, a family of LiDARs to cover all the possible use cases around the vehicle. The Velodyne family of products, which are really targeted for advanced driver assist systems and safety, where you want to embed LiDAR into the skin of a consumer purchase vehicle. And last but not least, we realized that there's a new category of LiDARs that basically no one has actually even realized. This is a gap that has existed in the LiDAR portfolio that this new category of LiDARs is filling, called the Velodome. And the Velodome really addresses a gap in LiDARs, which is being able to see along the sides of a vehicle, really close to the vehicle. Bicycles or pedestrians or small animals or small children right next to the vehicle in question, there is a critical gap in coverage which naturally exists because of how light travels. And this is a key element of actually making these autonomous vehicles safe in the future, and this is covered by the Velodome. As you can see, the Velodome basically is integrated into the skin of the vehicle on the side, and you can essentially see 180 degrees in both axes along the sides of the vehicle. How else can Velodyne contribute to the safety environment? And we realized that knowing so much that we know about LiDARs, we also really are best suited to understand how to bring LiDAR to the market from a software and intelligence perspective. So we are announcing today full software ADAS solution, which incorporates all the various tools that are needed to build an ADAS solution driven by LiDAR perception. Imagine that you have this in conjunction with the side LiDARs that we talked about, and you have an extensive series of software features that now get unlocked, such as high definition mapping using crowdsourced data, extraction of driving trajectories, the ability to actually use that information to now precisely localize the vehicle and create a really smooth and safe driver assist system that would eventually extend to higher and higher levels of autonomy. The time for lab experiments is over. We see the industry moving towards the first wave of true production with these systems, and Velodyne is getting ready with a complete suite of products and a complete software solution to meet that, and that's going to be the highlight for 2019 for us.
2019 is an extremely exciting year for Velodyne Lidar. We will be moving into mass production this year with our sensor technologies. The autonomous industry is maturing at a tremendous rate, and so we're very excited to be sort of ground central part of that. We have amazing products and amazing design, which is really the key to being able to get into mass production. We spent the last decade or so figuring out how to get LiDAR sensors to the point of right now where we can build sensors that can be mass produced for the entire industry. And we're leveraging advanced design, advanced manufacturing, automation. We have our mega factory in San Jose, which is full of robotic assembly systems, and we are now ready to meet the challenge of this next wave of LiDARs that are going to be placed on vehicles all around the world. So we're going to have a variety of manufacturing techniques, partnerships, relationships, in order to build a whole array of sensors to meet the needs of the market. Only Velodyne Lidar has the design, has the array of products, and the manufacturing capability to service this market. Make no mistake, Velodyne Lidar is the only company that can do that today.